the region is cooperating with the peace deal. And also Pakistan recently, they are calling or cooperating with the peace process of Afghanistan. Always they said they are supporting the peace process. But one thing which is known right now, all the atmosphere changed, and the world community changed, American changed, and the UN changed, and the region changed. And this is the conclusion for all countries or world. The battle, fighting, killing, capturing is not solution. And the better will be to find a solution through respect, through negotiation, through dialogue, through understanding. That's the situation is prepared for that. I think the role of our neighbor is important in Afghanistan, especially to guarantee that to not interfere in the internal issue of Afghanistan. That's very important. And that is our hope from the Pakistan too, from Iran, Pakistan, China, our neighbor, to not interfere in the internal issue of Afghanistan, to leave the people of Afghanistan to decide for the future of Afghanistan. I'm sure the people of Afghanistan, they are not deciding against any neighbor, because I know the potential of the people of Afghanistan right now. They want a neutral Afghanistan in the region, and they want to have a good relation with our neighbor, to be cooperated with them, not be dangerous to anyone. That's Afghanistan people want, and that was agreed even in Moscow, in Doha. The Pakistan and other neighbors, which we are hoping from them, we are expecting, they have to respect to the idea of the people of Afghanistan and to support.